Too much history, have you make it so hard for leave ya? What you do? Big old man thing, me not.
Oh my god. Alright, let me stop. Okay, hey guys, it's me Nekeisha and whatever. And I'm back with another video. Hold on, I'm a little ashy. I can't come back to YouTube ashy. It's been like a year. Okay, but listen. With divine timing, I'm back. But as you can tell by the title, today I'm gonna be doing a wig unboxing. I'm gonna be doing a lot of these on my channel. I like wigs and stuff like that. Hold on. I like wigs and stuff like that. I love hair, makeup. I'm getting into makeup. As you can see, I'm not the best. I'm just learning, but with time I will get better, best believe. Making videos as well, but until we get there, we're gonna focus on hair. So what I'm gonna be doing, the way I'm going to be doing these type of videos is I'm going to do the wig unboxing where I go into detail about the hair, the vendor, details about it. I even put in details about like, I'll put the link down below, and like about like the hair company, stuff like that, how long it took, talk about the lace, just go really in depth. And then I'll have another video of me installing it for the people who want to see me install it. But I will be trying the wig on in this video also, so I like y'all can see it. Like I'm not gonna just be talking about it. But anyway, we're gonna jump right into it. It's from FedEx. I don't want to show y'all my address and stuff, but it came in a FedEx packaging. It took about a week and a half to get here, but this is how it comes in this little silk bag, which is really good. I haven't ordered a wig, like bought a wig from like Aliexpress in a long time. So we about to see if they upgraded the way they do things, which they have not. Well, at least not this company. It just gave me a wig cap. Y'all know these basic wig caps that they be giving people always come in handy. Can't ever complain. I don't remember the exact name of this company, which is really killing me. But I will put the name of the company on the screen. Okay, I bought this wig because I have a fashion show. I will be vlogging that. So I'm going to be going to a fashion show. This is about to be my wig for the fashion show. Alright, so the wig came in this little bag. I like to keep these for when I have to take my wig to somebody to install it, you know. So this is her. It comes with a little hairnet. Oh, there's a little tag on it. MISNEY. So I guess it's MISNEY hair. Yeah, MISNEY Aliexpress. So here's that little card. Come on, focus. Okay, yeah. This is that little card. Excuse, my nose don't look bad, but excuse my nails. But that's a little card. Alright, so this is a 13 by 4 24-inch wig. And I'm gonna put how much I paid for it on the screen, because I feel like a lot of people don't be doing that. I'm gonna put y'all onto game. I'm gonna tell you how much I paid for it. It was not bad. It was not a bad price, I'll tell you that. So this is her. I didn't want her to be really thick in density because I had a previous curly wig. I will link that also right here. She was too thick, like too thick. She was so thick, like too thick. Like she had a thoink, and it was too much. So I already said the next wig I get that's curly, I was gonna be 150, or if I can get 130, I will, just for like making it easier to manage, you feel me? And I kind of like to wear my hair a little poofy anyway, so you're not gonna really notice if you don't. But yeah, so I'm just running my fingers through her, and as you can see, there's no stopping. There is some shedding though, if y'all can see that. Probably not, but there's some shedding already. That's okay. Let me tell y'all something. You will not get a curly wig that does not shed, and if you do, tell me, put me on. But so this is her. This is a loose deep wave wig, I believe. This is the type of hair that I was going for. I wanted something with curls, but not too curly. My other one was pretty curly as well, but yeah. So this is a 13 by 4. I'm just gonna show you guys the inside of the wig. I'm probably gonna film like a close-up of it as I'm talking about it, but I don't know yet. But until then, I'm gonna just show y'all. It has the clips on the inside. It has one clip right here, another one here, another one on this end, and then one on the inside. Then it also comes with the adjustable straps right here, as you can see. A little bit of lace in the back, and this is the 13x4 part. I wanted to get a 13x6, but those right now are kind of hard to find. I don't know why they're so hard to find. And a lot of these companies don't be telling you the parting space of the wigs, and they'll send you a T-part wig. So just to be safe, I just got a 13x4 because I'm like, nobody is playing with my money. Like, y'all are not about to be playing with me. And they love to, you know, act like they can't message you back when you try to talk to them. So I was not with it. But anyway, so I'm gonna just give y'all a little bit a closer look. I'm gonna get up a closer look at the lace, kind of show y'all what it looks like up against my skin. So this is what the lace looks like. It is not pre-plucked, but it's also still does not look that bad. It doesn't look bad at all. If y'all want a video on how I pluck it and stuff like that, let me know down below. I could do it. I don't really do nothing too fancy either. I just pluck and bleach knots. So I don't think I'll be making a video on how I pluck and bleach knots. But if y'all want that, you know, you could. But yeah, this is a wig. I just got her in the natural color. This is her. So now I'm about to just go right ahead, and I'm about to take this wig off right now and put this wig on my head. Excuse my wig cap, y'all, it's brown. Ooh. Okay, so she is on, and this is her. Period. Okay, now that she's on me, she still feels nice. She does have a little bit of a scent, if I do say so myself. But as y'all can see right here, the top of the hair is very short. I hate when they do this with the wigs, but the bundles at the top are very short, and it's kind of making it thin at the ends, which I don't like that. But it's okay because the hairstyle that I'm doing with this wig doesn't really require the top to be the same length as the rest of it. But I know y'all can see that, like, it's giving very much mullet. I'm trying to say, like, it's giving very much mullet, but it's okay. When I do install this wig on my head, I'm gonna be doing like the 2 little braids right here. I want to try that hairstyle, but I'm not gonna like tie it to the back. I'm just kind of have them sit and like fall right here. That's what I'm gonna try to do. But yeah, y'all, this is the wig. The texture is really nice. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm excited to put her on my head. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, comment down below. Also, don't forget to check out the video of me installing it on my head. I'm actually gonna record that tonight as well, because I want to have my hair done tonight, or maybe tomorrow. But I really want to try to have my hair done tonight because I'm busy for the rest of the week. And then also look out for the vlog with the fashion show. I can't wait to start posting all of these videos, and I can't wait to start my YouTube journey and actually, you know, do it. So that being said, follow me on Instagram. Everything will be linked down below. TikTok too, because I love TikTok. They show me the most love. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.